What's up, photography lovers? My name is Evans Leandre. In this channel, we focus on all things photography, whether film or digital, with the emphasis on things I specialize in: beauty, fashion, and portraiture. So if that's something you're into, you love, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and follow me on this journey. Today, I'm taking you guys behind the scenes on a photo shoot that I'm doing that focuses on the commercial, more of a commercial style with a little twist, little vibe of editorial. The lighting is more commercial, but everything else we add a little bit more of a editorial vibe. I have a creative team, very small team, which includes a makeup artist, a hairstylist, and a model. 4 light setups. I'm gonna start with by showing you the light setup. Then I'm gonna take you a little bit behind the scenes and then follow that up with an interview from all the creatives and put that into the final image. From that, I'm gonna show you guys the final images at the very end. So let's go ahead and get right into the video right now. All right, so now we're going into the program right now. This program is Set a Light by a developer named Alexa, I think it's called. Great software for visualizing each setup. I use this all the time to visualize my setup. So I'm going to show you the setup right now. So it's 4 lights, 1 light, camera right pointed at the background. You can see the 2 soft boxes here canted at a little bit of a angle at her, and then other light pointed at the background there. From this view here, as I rotate this thing around, you kind of see the light is kind of tilted, but both pointed directly at her. I did this basically because I didn't want a straight up and down shadow on her. So I wanted to bring that, the catch lights to not be vertical, but a little more canted. I'm also using V-flats on both sides that you can see here as I rotate things around. That is to create a nice, curve or depth around her face by creating some shadows and create that line you can see on her face right there. So it's pretty easy. I mean, it does require 4 lights, but Policy Buff offers pretty inexpensive light that do a great job. So we can take a look there at the catch lights and see that this is what we're doing. And now we're going to take you right behind the scenes so you can see me shooting and see this setup actually in work. So let's take a look and go into the setup right now. Let's go.
Hi, my name is Samira Ahmed. I'm a makeup artist in Denver, Colorado. So for today's look on Sydney, we really wanted skin first. So not a lot of foundation, but beautiful, glowing, healthy skin with the right amount of coverage. And so for glowing skin, it's really all about skin prep. So I relied on Lait Creme Concentré by Embryolisse to prep the skin and give us a nice canvas. And then from there, I used Face Atelier, Senna Cosmetics, and a Skin Glow by Bodyography. For her lips, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills and Wet n Wild mixed together for that beautiful velvety red pout.
I'm Ansley Bird, and I am a hairdresser and salon owner in Colorado. So for today's look on Sydney, we wanted to keep it really feminine and fresh and, you know, still high fashion, but with a little edge. So today I used all Kevin Murphy products, and thankfully Sydney has the most incredible hair texture. So really all I had to do was kind of define her waves, and so I used Freehold and Easy Rider. Freehold is a texture paste, and Easy Rider is a anti-frizz defining cream.
Hi, I'm Sydney Reiber, and I am with Wilhelmina Denver. I loved working with the team today. Everyone was super friendly and really nice and amazing to work with, and I got a lot of really good pointers about how to move my body and how to shoot on camera. And I really loved doing this shoot today because it was feminine and beauty, but there was still a touch of edginess, and it was really amazing to work with this team because I've never worked with them before.
I mean, that's it. That's the setup. That's everything. So if you like it, go ahead and check me out on EL Photography 13 or at Evans Leandre. One is beauty, one is fashion. Check me out on there. If you have questions about anything, go ahead and hit me on the comment section below. I'll hit you, answer any questions you have, or you can message me on Instagram or whatever you decide to do. So if you liked it, go ahead and like and subscribe. Follow me on this journey. I'm gonna produce more content. And if you use this setup, tag me on it so I can see what you're working on. I would love to see what you create with this setup on your own. And that's it. We're out of here. I'm Evans of Evans Leandre Photography, signing out.